Hello and welcome to another episode of the Tejano Traveler. I'm your host Wally, and today we are roaming the grounds at the University of Texas to look at the UT Landmarks art. Now, this program has several different art installations, and they're spread throughout the campus to make the campus look nicer and everything. My all-time favorite is this one, the Canoes. Now, all these art installations have an official name, but I don't really know them. Like this Canoe masterpiece has some weird name, but I just know it as a canoe sculpture. There's different ones as you roam around, like this ice cream scooper, which isn't really an ice cream scooper. I think this one's called Sentinel #1 or something like that. And the science building, there's a wooden sculpture. Then this mangled piece of iron that is outside one of the offices. And I mean, I guess it's art, if that's what they're calling it. I'm all for it. We've got also some traditional looking art like statues. These are by Umlauf himself, who has his own garden here in Austin. Then there's some balls. Yeah. Art, I tell you. Art is awesome. Some more Umlauf with a family right outside the Red McCombs building. It's kind of nice, reminding you about family. This little weird circle with towers, which, I'd like to hang out there. Just eat my lunch, my pizza, and drink my Dr. Pepper, and talk to people about art and everything. Some of the insides are also decorated with art. They're not at the museum, at the Blanton, or anything. They're just randomly placed here and there, which helps beautify the campus. And this is another one of my favorites. It's in one of the other buildings, and it's huge. It's a huge wall with digital art, and you just sort of see it change throughout the day, and you can sort of model in front of it and become the art yourself. But I probably sat in front of this, some chairs, and just stared at it for a good 15 to 20 minutes. There's also a Headless Band, and my other favorite work of art, which is this giant golden seashell. It's perfect. It's golden. It shines in the sun when it hits it just right. And it's probably way too big. You should definitely take the time to go look at some of these, especially if you like art, especially if you like taking selfies. This is another art installation inside the health building, and they all look like ghosts at a health building. And then one of my other favorites is the UT Sky Space. It's just a building with a hole on the roof, and the sky creates the art. Look at that art. It's sort of mesmerizing, and it's so simple, but it just works for some reason. At least it does for me. I can stare at it for a long time and see it change different colors and different clouds and everything, and I spent a good 20 minutes here just playing around. This one's on top of one of the buildings, the student buildings. So if you can, try to go and check out some of this art. Like I said, it's there for you, it's there for the students, it's there to beautify the campus, and art always beautifies life. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.